Hello friends, welcome back to Momentum Stocks. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nifty Bank Nifty, and we are going to identify one stock which is strong and one stock that is weak for tomorrow's trading session, that is 26th 6 friends. Coming to Nifty Bank Nifty first. Bank Nifty first. See, Bank Nifty has been trading in this particular range. This is the upper level, which is 44,560, and this is the lower level, which is 43,490. So about 900 points range is where Bank Nifty is trading since 10th of May, friends. Today is June 26th. So almost two expiries is what it is in the same range. Now, will this really happen? I think there is a big move coming in next 2-3 days. And that is the reason I told you the expiry is near. How would we take trades? Now see friends, we would go ahead and draw one trend line like this in Bank Nifty. Okay. And if it breaks this trend line and again retests it, that is when we can create a buy position with a small stop loss of this trend line and target here. Okay, this will be your target, which is 44,520. okay, if you look at it from a future or from a spot standpoint, it will be 44,444, but from future standpoint we see it as 44,550 plus. That will be your target. Now talking negative, chances of it being negative is very high. The reason is I see that Dow is about 220 points negative right now. SGX Nifty is about 20 points down, and Asia is also trading in negative zone today. So keeping that in mind, most ideally this trend line will be already broken when you see tomorrow morning. So in that case, what we'll do is we'll wait for it to come back till this level again. And if in case it shows some kind of a pattern here or some kind of angle here at this level, that's when we can go ahead and create short positions. Note friends, we are looking at 1 hour chart here. Okay, now I'm going to do the analysis for Bank Nifty also in the same way. Sorry, Nifty also in the same way. So in Nifty, see friends, from the recent bottom, which is here, okay, that happened on 18th of May, till the recent top, if I'm drawing a Fibbo, what do we see? We see that it has not touched the 38.2 levels, and most ideally tomorrow early in the morning with a gap down, this level will be touched. So from here it can continue to go upwards again, because this level is a strong support zone. Okay, we have taken trade multiple times. I have shown you this level, importance of this level multiple times, which is in this case 18,653 levels. So we are again looking at a chart from a 1 hour standpoint, where we also see a breakdown, a retest, and the retest is exactly 38.2% from the recent top to bottom, and a downward momentum. And tomorrow morning, if you see, it will open somewhere at this levels. I'm talking about 100 points or 60-70 points down. It can continue to go down till this level, which is 18,652, where it can form a strong base and then continue to go upwards, friends. So this is the analysis for Nifty Bank Nifty. Now if I come back to 5 minutes, what do we see? Now here, friends, things are a little more interesting. We see there is a normal head and shoulder pattern which is formed here. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, followed by your right shoulder, and downward momentum. Now if this breakout happens, as per technical analysis, there should be a proper downward momentum of this much, and that downward momentum, if you calculate it, it's coming exactly at the 38.2 levels, which we had just seen some time back. See here. Okay, so this head and shoulders pattern has been noticed by almost each and every person who follow technical analysis. Now what will happen next is it can go ahead and give you this particular breakout. If you see this breakout and a retest at this level, you will notice that there is also a double bottom pattern. This is your first bottom which will happen, okay, which with the gap down followed by retest here, a double bottom and an upward momentum. At that breakout, okay, you can create buy positions again for a target till here in one day. You may also see a big momentum coming till here or the top, which is at 18,888 in spot levels. In future levels, it is 18,954, friends. That's how we can be planning on tomorrow's day. Coming to the stock, strong stock and the weak stock, we have noticed that Titan, okay, it has come to 50% retracement level here, friends, and there is an attempt to go upwards. Okay, we are looking at 5 minutes chart. Now those who want to be very safe can go ahead and create this trend line, okay, and at the break of this trend line is what you can create a buy position for first target, this top here. Second target would be the complete top, okay. Now in this case, your stop loss will be here, somewhere here below this area, and ideally bank nifty being a gap down, it can start somewhere here. So what I would suggest personally is you can create a long position right at the beginning, somewhere here. In that case, your stop loss will be very small and you can continue to trail your target for first target here and second target the top. That will give you a very big risk to reward ratio. I'm not telling you to wait for such a big risk to reward ratio. Book your profits as and when you feel comfortable, friends. Coming to the weak stock, we have identified ICICI Bank as a weak stock. Reasons are simple. Look at this trend line. You see a clear breakdown here followed by a retest and downward momentum. Now if I modify this trend line from here, then this will be your touch here, okay. Then you see another breakdown followed by a retest. At the retest, what do we see? We see a clear double top pattern and a downward momentum. Now reason number 2 is when I am drawing this fibro from recent bottom or recent top here till recent bottom, this double bottom pattern has formed exactly at 38.2 levels. From here we look for downward target, which is here 920, and next target would be 918, friends. It can also continue to go further down if there is weakness in the market. I hope you like the analysis, friends. If you are liking the analysis, do subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends and family members, and also hit that like button. I see likes are not coming sufficiently, because of which the growth of the channel is not so fast. So quickly hit that like button so that the channel will also be shared with multiple people just like you who will also like the analysis, friends. Thanks for watching and wish you a profitable tomorrow.